All right, we're going to jump in here. Thank you for joining SHPO today. I'm Michelle and I'll be your moderator. Today we are going to give you a brief overview of SHPO and how we can help you win more business for the USPS. We are going to move quickly through the slides, but we will save time at the end for a few questions. If you have any questions during the webinar, please send them to me through chat on the Zoom app and we'll try to get to them. If we don't get to them, we'll be sure to follow up after. And with that, I'd like to welcome Mike Kwan. He is our Channel Partnerships Manager, and he will help us understand how SHPO can help the USPS win more business.
Thanks, Michelle. As Michelle mentioned, we're going to provide an overview of how we can help you win new business for the USPS. If you'd like to see a demo on SHPO or more information about the tools we have developed for the USPS team members, please contact me directly. My contact information will be provided at the end of the presentation. Let's get started. I'm Mike Cowan. I'm currently the Channel Partnerships Manager at SHPO. My focus is to make sure the USPS team members have the tools they need from us to win and close new business. I currently live in San Francisco and work at SHPO headquarters. However, from 2012 to 2015, I was actually part of the USPS team in Colorado. Originally, I worked as a BSS. Let me catch up on the slides there. However, from 2012 to 2015, I was actually part of the USPS team in Colorado. I worked as a BSS, Business Solutions Specialist, and eventually took over Colorado, Utah, Oregon, and Washington as a global account manager from Lee Ingram when she retired. I remember how much I relied on our software vendors at the time and feel like the market has changed since then. My hope here at SHPO is that we can fill that gap, whether that's through a demo or answering technical questions. There's enough to know about the USPS. You shouldn't have to be a software expert for 10 platforms as well. If SHPO is a great fit, we'll tell you, we'll let your customer know, and if we're not, we'll tell you that as well and not waste your time. So what is SHPO? As I mentioned, we can go deeper with a one-on-one on the SHPO product, but for those of you that don't know anything about SHPO, we're an advanced multi-carrier platform designed to connect to e-commerce stores and websites as well as other plugins. We can save you time and money. We can automatically import orders, rate shop, and print labels. We have both a cloud-based web app and a SHPO API. The SHPO API is typically for larger customers, and the web app is usually for small and emerging carriers or customers. Typically, when you get over 1,000 labels per month, you'll start moving towards an API. So how is SHPO different? We're integrated directly to the USPS through e-postage and EVS. That means we don't leverage any PC postage providers. We're a direct connection to the Postal Service. That means if your customer has an NSA, that volume counts directly towards their contract. We're a recognized partner to the USPS, so you won't see us selling below commercial prices. As of today, our pricing is standard commercial pricing and straight cubic. What's the price? We have 3 pricing tiers: pay-as-you-go, 5 cents a label, professional, and premier. For most of these, especially professional and premier, get in touch with us early so we can help educate the user. Do they need an API? Do they need a UI? What level of service do they need? Let us help you. So how do we actually help you win business? First off, let's get you a portal. If you haven't already signed up, you can go to goshpo.com/affiliate/USPS/register. If you don't remember that, I can send it to you later or shoot me an email and I'll register. Once you're registered, you'll receive an email like this. All you need to do is create a password and you'll have access to a portal. This is what your portal will look like. You'll be able to see volume. If you have existing customers that are using SHPO, send them to me and I can get them connected to your portal. That way you'll see volume in here. In the upper left-hand corner of your portal, you'll also have a customized link. This will be your sign-up link for your customers as well as your promo code. When your customer signs up using that link, they'll be sent here. That customer will automatically be added to your portal. A couple new releases for the USPS partnership. Not only do you have your personalized sign-up link, you'll get an account notification. When a customer signs up, you'll automatically get a notification coming from me letting you know your customer signed up. When your customer prints their first label, you'll get an automatic notification with tracking number. If you can't find that label within Nmaps, call me or email me, let me know, and I can send you a copy of that label. Unfortunately, we can't send labels for customers that you're not working with. So contact us early with new customers or customers that you're trying to get to add a new level of service. We're happy to provide labels for those. Additionally, 90 days free professional account. For customers that sign up under your link, they now get access to 90 days free of the upgraded professional account. Couple of sign up information, good things to know about Shippo. When you sign up a customer using Shippo, the only account that's active is USPS. Unless they have credentials from your competitors, Shippo essentially will be a USPS only platform. So good to know for signing up people, especially as your pay-as-you-go as you move over from Click and Ship. It's a good replacement, gives them the functionality of a more robust platform. Connect stores. One of the reasons that Shippo's gotten to where it is today and why many people like us is the ease of which it is to connect to e-commerce stores. Shopify, GoDaddy, Squarespace, eBay. Click the connect button and you're connected within minutes. In fact, Shippo was actually voted staff top picks for apps back in November. Here's a list of integrations. This is a snapshot of integrations that we have. As you can see, there's many different platforms that we integrate with, in addition to things like Snap Fulfill, warehouse management systems, in addition to marketplaces such as Etsy and Amazon. One of the upgrades that your customers will provide by getting the professional account is the customer post-purchase. That includes Shippo return labels, which are only 5 cents a label, and customized branded tracking. So your customers can add their logo and create customized information to their customers on tracking information. That means they can add a promo code for a next order, give insights as to where the package is in the delivery cycle, as well as customized packing slips. A couple of new features that we've released. Shipping analytics, so your customers can see how much they're spending on shipping, what type of label, average cost per label. Over the next year or so, this will get more robust. Schedule pickups. Within the app, you can now schedule a pickup for USPS. And lastly, as I mentioned, get in touch with us early. Let the sales teams help you. We have 2 tiers. For your larger accounts, ones that might have an NSA, our account management team, Austin and Isabel, will help you. And for our sales teams, for customers that are merging smaller, questions about whether they'll be a better fit for the API or whether they're a fit for the web app, Kevin, Michael, and Jake will help you through that process. But in most cases, just contact me and I'll get you connected to the right person. And that's it. Here's my contact information. And we have a few questions, I think.
Yep, so we're going to spend the last few minutes going through questions. I've seen some questions come through as Mike was chatting, so I'm going to jump into those. If you have any other questions, you can send them to us in chat, and we'll try to get to all of them. Otherwise, we will be in touch over email. So the first question is, how do the pickups work?
Yeah, so the pickup is actually connected to the same system that you use through USPS.com. That message is routed to the local postmaster and needs to be cleared out by the end of the next day in the typical process.
Awesome. And we just have one more question unless anyone else wants to chime in. Can we see product detail inside the portal?
Yes, you can. Actually, you can see if you click on customer detail, you can go down to everything from first class international. And if you need more visibility into something else, contact me directly and I'll get you a report.
All right, and we did have one more question come in. How easy is it to process international returns? Or excuse me, international shipments?
Super easy. It actually walks you through the process for printing your customs declarations. So you put in it'll do address verification, and you have access to Priority Mail International, First Class International, Priority Express. And if you're also able to work with consolidators, you can add those services inside of ShipO. But it'll automatically take you to the next step for printing customs declarations, so you have all the information you need for customs and duties.
Awesome, and I think this is a good one to end on. Can you show the link again to sign up for our promo code?
Absolutely. There you go at the bottom. GoShipO.com/affiliate/USPS/register. And again, feel free to contact me directly and I'll sign you up. It's just Michael@GoShipO.com.
Awesome, and I see a couple more questions, so we'll plan to follow up with you guys after an email. Thank you so much for your time today. And again, please contact Mike with any further questions.
Thanks so much.